In this video, we will learn about Income Tax Form 26AS. What is Form 26AS? Why is it required? How does it work? Why is it important? How does it look like? How to extract it? We will be answering all those questions in this video. So, Form 26AS is basically a statement of tax deducted and collected at source. Suppose you are a salaried employee, you are a businessman, you have made some investments with a bank, and in any of the cases, some TDS has been deducted or collected at source against your PAN. So that TDS is reflected in this particular form. How is it reflected? The tax deductor will file his TDS return or TCS return, and while filing the return, the TDS is mapped to a particular PAN. And then when that TDS return is filed, that TDS will appear against your PAN in your income tax login form 26AS. So, how does a form 26AS look like? I'll just show you a sample. So, this is a sample form 26AS. This has been downloaded from the income tax website. We will also be going through the income tax website and see how we can download this. So, I'll just scroll down a bit. Here you can see this is the PAN number of the assessee. I've just hidden the PAN number over here. Current status, the financial year, assessment year, name and address. So this is the very basic detail that it gives. Then we move down. Then you can see this is part A, details of tax deducted at source. So under this head, every deductor who has deducted tax against your PAN, the details will appear here. Section, transaction date, date of booking, and this is the name of the deductor. So this is the section. Through section, I can get to know that what nature of income it was on which tax has been deducted. So this is 194A. This means that it is interest on securities, interest on deposits other than securities. So this is the amount paid, total TDS. Here total TDS is 0. This may be 0 because the total interest income earned will be within the limits prescribed under the Income Tax Act. So let's move down a bit. So this is the second deductor. This is section 192. This means it is income from salaries, income under the head salaries. This is transaction date, date of booking, status of booking. All these legends are also available at the bottom of the form. So you can just go and check what F means, what date of booking means. Here also no TDS has been deducted. Again we move down. This is 194D. This means insurance commission. This is the TAN, this is the amount paid, details of tax deducted at source for 15G, 15H. These are specific forms which are required to be declared by the assessee. Let's move down. So this gives details of SFT transactions. SFT is basically specified financial transactions. So here no transactions are present. In case any TDS defaults are there, suppose I am an assessee, I have a PAN as well as a TAN number, and if there are some defaults in my TAN, then these defaults will also appear here. Then details of tax deducted at source for sale of any immovable property. If there is any immovable property and any tax has been deducted on it, then this will also appear over here. By this, the income tax department also knows that I have entered into any such transaction. If any refund has been paid to you during the year, then that will also appear over here. If you are a businessman and you have been filing GST returns, the turnover filed in GST returns is also mapped here. Since this is not related to any business, here there are no transactions. So now you can just move down a bit and see these are the legends we were talking about, the sections, and you'll find some code for SFT transactions, some tax codes over here, some description abbreviations that have been used. So this is how an income tax Form 26AS looks like. Now, how can we download this form? This form can be downloaded from the income tax portal. The link has been given in the description. So we'll just take you through. I've just logged in over here. After logging in, you just go to e-file, income tax returns, view form 26AS. Click on proceed, view tax credit. Just select the assessment here, view as HTML, and click on view. Now just scroll down. You will see these details are available here. This is basically whatever we saw in the previous PDF version of the form. So these all details are available over here. You can just click on export as PDF, and you see this file has been downloaded over here. So the income tax portal will also direct you to the traces portal. Form 26AS, the option is available on the income tax website, but it takes you to the traces portal. So you can easily download your TDS Form 26AS from there. So this is how you can access, download, view, and understand your Form 26AS. Thank you.